As everybody knows, Laksha's vision is Lakshan in every global brand. Now, that's the reason why we have introduced Incepta 2026, a management fest. The intention of doing this is obviously to create future leaders who is going to lead the finance industry.
So I think this is a wonderful competition arranged by IISc Laksha at the Vaitala campus. It is so great to see the energy of the participants here. There's only so much you can study from textbooks. Learning comes from experiences like this, and the best way we can give it in a college life is through competitions like this.
Personally, I feel like back to college again after 20 years, which I've been a strong participant in almost all the events like this in college days. Being in Laksha doesn't mean you're just obtaining your certification. Here you're experiencing the course as well as you're connecting to the real world, what is happening in the real world.